Good Friday is a significant day in Christianity. It commemorates the crucifixion and death of Jesus Christ on the cross and also marks the beginning of Easter celebration. Anthony Gandono tells us more about the importance of the day and the mood of Christians in Ijebu Ode. His report.
Good Friday, also known as Holy Friday or Friday of the Passion of the Lord, is a solemn day commemorating the crucifixion and death of Jesus Christ at Calvary. To mark this year's Good Friday, some churches in Ijebu Ode held services to celebrate Christ's love by singing solemn hymns and songs. A display of Jesus' arrest, suffering, and crucifixion was part of the program.
As Catholics, we celebrate this in a very special way. In the whole year, this is one day we do not celebrate the Holy Mass, because the Mass itself was celebrated on the cross by Jesus Christ.
Today is Good Friday, when we remember the greatest sacrifice of Jesus Christ. So today is a day of appreciating God, thanking God for his blessings for humanity.
This day is a very great day. It's a day of mourning. It's a day to jẹ́ wípé gbogbo Kristẹni gbọ́dọ̀ lè ní ìrònúpìwàdà.
The day we are celebrating today, that is even the most important. The day somebody died for us. If he were to be our own father, our biological father, that died like Jesus Christ for us, I know we will never forget that day.
What is behind the day and why Good Friday? Clerics responded.
From the point of view of what this sacrifice on the cross achieved, the redemption of mankind, the redemption of creation, the redemption of the world, it is good for our salvation. And that is why it is called or nicknamed Good Friday.
The word Good Friday should be God Friday. That is, this Friday belongs to God. It is a Friday where God shows his greatest love unto humanity.
We the Christians, we say this day is Good Friday. Why is it Good Friday? It is Good Friday. It is a good day for us because it's the day that the Lord Jesus Christ died for our sin. A sin he did not commit.
It's essential for Christians to reflect on their actions and ensure they align with Jesus Christ's message of love, forgiveness, and redemption, which signifies Easter. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandono, NTA News.